Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the Arrows Marlin. My rates are, hold on. Rates are 100% throws, over 30% expo, all the way around. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Wind is now that way. So landing is going to be interesting. Try to keep her in kind of low here. Kind of lower. That way you can keep a seat, look at her, have a little bit of background there with the power lines.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just flying around nice and slow. Just to show you how slow and peaceful this little plane can fly. I'm out, but just a little over half throttle right now. Very comfortable with this jet. I'll take her up. Sorry about the sun.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, so much for keeping her down low, right? It is windy and cross breeze at that.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps. Flaps up. 30 seconds. Landing flaps. 20 seconds. Flaps up.
Let's try that again. This time we'll land it without
10,
flaps.
9.
Don't really need flaps anyways, I'll just
6.
The wind keeps
5.
going and then dying, then going, and then dying. There, that's about much better. Much better. Just working that rudder, staying on that rudder as I land. Oh yeah.
Brakes off.
It's got brakes too.
Motor off.
And just so you know, you hear the 2 seconds over on a 3-minute and 40-second timer. I'm hooked up on my camera. I got the battery set just slightly forward for the CG because of the wind. Normally, whoa, I'd have a 2700 from there back, and I've got the 2600 slightly forward of that. Just get a little more nose down and to help with this wind. Got an AR630 back there in the back. Let's check the battery life on the 2600 HRB 4S, and that has a 60C discharge to it. Not bad, 26%. That's a perfect storage rate. So, well, anyways, folks, that is the Arrows Marlin. It is an Avanti by design, just so you're aware. The only thing that keeps it from being a true Avanti is it has the absence of the keel along the back of that fuselage. If it had that keel, then it would be a true Avanti, because otherwise it is, as far as the shape and intake and everything else. But it's just a good looking, solid flying plane. If you're looking for your first EDF, this is I highly suggest this as your first EDF, because the Habu, E-flite Habu, is a solid flying plane. I've had all of them. I still have the 50mm. I had the 74S and I had the 76S. And like I said, I still have the 50mm little 4S, and it's a solid flying plane. But in my opinion, the Habu does not give you the EDF discipline, because it just floats and floats and floats. The Marlin, you have to fly. You have to learn that EDF discipline. You have to give that thrust. You have to plan for your landings. You just can't float it in like you can the Habu. So anyways, there you go, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.